Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about Kanishka of Kushan Dynasty 127 AD to 150 AD. Considered the greatest Kushana king and also a great king of ancient India. He is the son of Vima Khadifices. His kingdom included Afghanistan, parts of Sindhu, parts of Patia, Punjab, Kashmir. Parts of Magadha including Pataliputra, Malwa, Benares, perhaps parts of Bengal, Khotan, Kashgar, Yarkand, lastly in modern China. His empire covered Gandhara, Peshawar, Ud, Pataliputra, Kashmir and Mathura. His kingdom also included parts of Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. His main capital was Peshawar, then known as Purishpura. After the capture of Pataliputra, he is said to have taken away the Buddhist monk Ashwagosha with him to Peshawar. The scholars in the court included Parsva, Ashwagosha, Vasumitra, Nagarjuna, Charaka, and Mathura. He also patronized the Greek engineer Agesilaus. Kanishka converted the fourth Buddhist council of Kundawala in Kashmir. He patronized Buddhism although he was very tolerant in his religion views. His coins contain some mix of Indian, Greek, and Zoroastrian deities. He was also a patron of art and architecture. The Gandhara school of art flourished under him. He also propagated the Mahayana form of Buddhism, and he was largely responsible for propagating it in China. It is not known how he died. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.